Less than tittle greater than ETHJPY ready for breakout or facing resistance. Less than tittle greater than 60-minute candlestick chart, moving averages, volume analysis. The current price of ETHJPY is 617,391 Japanese yen, sitting above the 200 mA levels, which are steadily rising and indicate strong upward momentum. The 200-hour moving average at the latest timestamp is 590,700 Japanese yen, suggesting that the current price is holding significantly above long-term support. Short-term resistance is observed around 618,252 Japanese yen, which aligns with the recent high. Should ETHJPY break above this level, the next upward movement could test the upper Bollinger Band of 623,504 Japanese yen. Volume analysis indicates a recent surge to 54.27, showing increased buyer interest. If this upward volume continues, ETHJPY could likely sustain its gains above the moving average levels. Relative Strength Index (RSI) analysis. The current RSI for ETHJPY stands at 53.65, indicating a neutral momentum with no clear overbought or oversold conditions. Historically, similar RSI levels around 50 to 55 have resulted in small consolidations before price movements. For example, ETHJPY hit similar RSI levels on previous occasions and soon experienced price increases of approximately 2% to 3%, breaking key resistances. If momentum builds, we may see RSI rising towards 60, confirming strength. Stochastic Oscillator analysis. The stochastic oscillator currently reads 61.72, signaling ETHJPY is nearing a moderately overbought zone. In previous instances, similar stochastic levels were seen before temporary pullbacks, particularly when combined with rising Arun down indicators. A stochastic rise above 70 would suggest a stronger uptrend. Otherwise, ETHJPY may encounter minor pullbacks to support levels near 594,567 Japanese yen, 23.6% Fibonacci. MACD and signal line analysis. The current MACD value is 2069.79, while the signal line is slightly higher at 2779.26. This indicates that ETHJPY remains in a recovery phase, but upward momentum is not yet confirmed. The narrowing gap between MACD and the signal line implies that ETHJPY is approaching a crossover, a bullish signal historically tied to upward movements of 2% to 4%. Bollinger Bands analysis. ETHJPY's price is currently positioned close to the upper Bollinger Band at 623,504 Japanese yen, signaling that it may face short-term resistance. If the price continues to ride the upper band, volatility may increase, leading to a potential breakout above this level. Past trends suggest that ETHJPY often retraces toward the middle band following a test of the upper band. The middle band near 600,000 Japanese yen will act as a dynamic support. Fibonacci retracement analysis. The current price of ETHJPY, 617,391 Japanese yen, is situated close to the 0.0% retracement level at 622,402 Japanese yen. This level represents a key resistance point. If ETHJPY fails to break through, the 23.6% retracement level at 594,567 Japanese yen becomes a short-term support. Previous bounces at similar levels resulted in gains of around 5% to 7%. Daily candlestick chart and volume, 1-year analysis. Over the past year, ETHJPY has recorded major highs near 622,402 Japanese yen and lows around 504,460 Japanese yen. Recent upward momentum places ETHJPY near its yearly highs. Trading volumes have remained steady, with significant increases accompanying rallies. If volume continues to increase, ETHJPY could sustain its upward trajectory, potentially testing new highs. Candlestick chart and volume, 3-year analysis. Long-term resistance sits firmly around 622,402 Japanese yen, while strong support over the past 3 years is observed at 504,460 Japanese yen. ETHJPY is currently trading closer to its resistance zone. Volume patterns show bullish accumulation during recent months, with price movements signaling a reversal from the lows seen earlier this year. Less than comprehensive analysis greater than ETHJPY is displaying a mix of bullish and cautious signals. The price is currently positioned near its yearly highs at 617,391 Japanese yen, with critical resistance at 622,402 Japanese yen. Indicators such as the RSI, 53.65, and Stochastic Oscillator, 61.72, point to neutral to mildly bullish conditions. The MACD nearing a bullish crossover could add strength to the upward movement if confirmed. Bollinger Bands suggest increased volatility, with a potential breakout above 623,504 Japanese yen if volumes rise. If ETHJPY fails to hold its current level, short-term support can be found at the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement of 594,567 Japanese yen, with a deeper retracement leading to 563,431 Japanese yen. A sustained breakout above resistance could target new highs, while investors should monitor momentum closely in the coming sessions.